Welcome to iJewel3D. In this video, you will learn how to set up your own interactive 3D product configurator, from preparing your files all the way to sharing them with customers. A configurator lets your customers switch between styles, materials, and options, and see every change in real time in 3D. We'll use a ring as our main example, but the exact same workflow applies to earrings, bracelets, pendants, watches, or any product with variations in any industry. Before uploading anything to the platform, your 3D models need to be in the right shape. iJewel3D works fine with Rhino 3DM files. If you are using another 3D tool, export your model to GLB format to ensure full compatibility and optimal performance inside the platform. The key idea is to keep your model parts separated. Instead of one single merged ring model, you want the top part and the band as two separate files. That separation is what allows the configurator to mix and match them. The simple approach is to position all components manually before exporting them separately. Each part should be modeled in its correct 3D position, so that once combined, they automatically form the complete product. The recommended approach is anchor-based placement. In the shank file, create a small cube and place it exactly where the head should be. Then, assign that cube to a layer called placeholder, name of component, for example, placeholder, head. iJewel3D reads this layer and uses it as a snap point, so whenever you switch between head variations, they will all land in the exact right position automatically. Inside each file, use layers to separate materials. For example, metal parts on one layer, gemstones on another. iJewel3D reads these layers and uses them to apply the right material to the right part. If everything is on one layer, material changes won't work correctly. When you're ready to export from Rhino, switch to shaded mode first. This converts your surfaces to meshes, which is what iJewel3D needs for rendering. Then export as 3DM. One important thing: do not enable the Save Small option that removes the mesh data, and your model won't display correctly in the platform. Go to iJewel3D.com and log in. You will land on the dashboard. Then from the left panel, navigate to the My Drive. This is where all your projects are located. Click Add New and select New Configurator. Then give your project a name, for example, Engagement Collection. Open the project and create a folder for each component. These folder names appear directly in the configurator UI. One folder for the top part called Head, and one for the band called Shank. The customer will see these names when they're browsing options. Open each folder and upload your files. All variations for that component go into the same folder. Once the upload is complete, iJewel3D will automatically sync them. If it does not start automatically, right-click and choose Sync Configurator from the menu. Right-click on your project and select Open in Playground. From there, you can adjust the lighting, change material colors, set the background, and control camera movement. You can also define material options, allowing customers to switch between yellow gold, white gold, and rose gold. We have a separate video covering scene settings in more detail. When you're satisfied with the result, click Save. To preview the configurator, click the View button, or right-click the folder and choose Open in Viewer. The simplest option is a direct share link. Right-click the configurator folder, select Share, set the project to public and copy the link. Anyone can open it instantly in a browser, no app required. It works on both desktop and mobile. You can integrate the viewer into your website using an iframe. Go to Playground and open the Embedding tab from the left panel. There you can configure how the viewer behaves, enable autoplay, choose which control buttons are visible, and define the overall experience. Once everything is set, copy the HTML code and paste it into your website's page source. The viewer will load directly inside your site, allowing customers to interact with the product without leaving your store. Full documentation on how to use the 3D viewer and ring configurator can be found at docs.iJewel3d.com.